In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove footer on Wix Studio. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to select your footer, remove it from your canvas, and understand what happens if that footer is set as a global element. First, make sure your site is open in the Wix Studio editor. Footers live at the very bottom of your page layout, so scroll all the way down until you reach the end of the page content. You're looking for the footer section itself, not just an element inside it. When the correct section is selected, you should see the selection frame around the entire footer area, often labeled footer in the editor. Take a moment to confirm you've highlighted the whole footer section. If you click on a logo, a text box, or a social icon inside the footer, you'll only select that individual item. If that happens, simply click again outside the element and then click the surrounding footer section so you're targeting the entire footer. With the footer section selected, right-click and choose Delete. If a confirmation prompt appears, confirm the deletion. That's it. The footer will be removed from the page. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, the Delete key works as well. And if you change your mind, you can use Undo to bring the footer back right away. Now, here's an important note about how Wix Studio handles footers. If your footer was set as a global footer, deleting it from one page removes it across all pages automatically. A global footer means it's a single, shared section used site-wide for consistency. So if you notice the footer disappear from other pages, that's expected behavior. Before you delete, make sure this is what you intend. If you only wanted to change something on one page, consider editing elements inside the footer instead of deleting the entire section. Once the footer is deleted in the editor, it's gone from your page design. Your change will be visible in your editor and previews. Remember, your live site only updates after you publish, so you're safe to review the result before making it public. To recap the process in plain language, scroll to the bottom of your page, select the footer section itself, right-click, and choose Delete. There you go. If it was a global footer, Wix Studio applies that deletion across your entire site automatically. That's all you need to remove a footer in Wix Studio quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your site layout with ease.